So when I first saw this, it gave me a lot of inspiration and ideas for a nice chicken coop. Something that you actually walk into, it's easier to clean out. Your nesting boxes are all inside here. Price is pretty wild. Starts at $4,100, which is it's a lot of money, especially if you're talking about something like a chicken coop. I'd be really curious to price this out, maybe a slightly smaller size if you were to build it yourself. We'll look at the inside of it too. But yeah, super spacious on the inside here. Studs actually look like they're 16 inches on center, which is a lot of times it's like they're at 24. God, just being in here and picturing, how you would convert this into a chicken coop makes me miss my own chickens. It's been over a year now that we haven't had our own chickens, our own eggs and all of that, and just makes you really miss it. It's so nice to just walk into your backyard and grab eggs out of your chicken coop. It's fun to do it with your kids and kind of teach them about stuff. But we'll have it again eventually. I've seen a lot of people they'll do some kind of linoleum type of floor, specifically if this was going to be a chicken coop or something, just for the ease of cleaning, and when it comes time to deep clean or anything like that. So the real question is this building worth starting at $4,000? It's obviously a really well-built shed, and Tuff Shed knows what they're doing at this point. But if money's no object, then maybe $4,000 isn't that much to you, and you just are trying to get a project jump-started. So that's all well and good, but for me personally, I look at this and say, how much could you build this on your own for? And just looking at it, you could easily, to me, build it for half the cost of this. And I mean, obviously that's, it's a labor intensive thing. It wouldn't take a very long time to build something like this, but you do have to put the time into it. And then if you're not familiar with how to do a certain thing, now you're taking time to go watch other videos on how to do that thing, whether it's roofing or building the base or siding, whatever it is. It's going to be a time-consuming process depending on your comfort level in building stuff. But it's definitely a doable thing to build on your own. It's really coming down outside. It might be kind of hard to see it, but it's been pretty steady. We're from Texas and we are not used to just constant snowfall like it does here in Utah. It's been a mild winter, so we'll see. I looked at it kind of as inspiration for that would be nice on the next coop that we build, to build it big enough to walk in something like this. And then all of your supplies and stuff, you can build that into a space like this as well. Whether you could wall in that corner and then have a small door access from the outside. So that way all of your feed and chicken supplies can be stored all in one building. It'd be really interesting to come in here, take kind of measurements and notes, and then price out the materials for if you were going to build this yourself, how much would that cost realistically? So that'll probably be something I do pretty soon. I'd just be really interested to see how much money you could save doing this yourself if you're not calculating the time that it would take to build it. But yeah, okay. Hands are cold. It's time to go. See you in the next video.